Hello everyone, this is Hobbi Crochet. In time for Halloween I've decided to make this little ghost. Very easy project for beginners and use very little amount of yarn. You can use any scrap yarn you've got left over. I'm using chunky yarn. This is bonus chunky. 100 gram, 137 meters. And crochet hook 4 millimeters. You will need safety eyes. I bought this on Amazon, or you can do embroidery afterwards. I will show you this little quick project in less than 20 minutes, so stay with me, and at the end we will do embroidery with just a small amount of black thread. If you haven't mastered magic loop, go for it. If you haven't, you can make a slip knot, chain 2, and make 6 single crochets in the first chain stitch. Six single crochets. This is end of round 1, 3, 4, 5 and 6. You can always count your stitches. Round 2, 2 single crochets in each stitch, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 2 single crochets in the next stitch. I'm placing my stitch marker to identify where your first stitch. Two single crochet in the second stitch, two single crochet in the third stitch, and keep going. If you want, you can put this video on pause and finish your second round, or you can go to settings and play this video much slower. Just choose playback speed 0.5 or something like that. And this is the end of round 2. You should have 12 stitches. Remove stitch marker. Next round, 1 single crochet in the first stitch and reinsert stitch marker. Two single crochet in the next stitch. One single crochet in the next stitch and 2 single crochet in the next. One single crochet in the next stitch, 2 in the next. And so the pattern for this round will be 1, 2, 1, 2. I will go a bit faster. You can pause this video if you are crocheting with me. You reached your stitch marker. And this is the end of third round. take your stitch marker off, and now for fourth round I'm making one single crochet, reinsert your stitch marker, one single crochet in the next stitch, one single crochet in the next stitch, one single crochet in the next stitch, and so on. You will have 18 single crochets, one single crochet in each stitch for this round. When you reach your stitch marker, this is the end of the round. Take it out and reinsert. Next round, again it will be one single crochet in each stitch, and I'm making 4 more rounds, one single crochet in each stitch, this will be the size of our little ghost. If you want larger ghost, you will need to make more increases. And so that's it. You've got lovely little cup shape or head shape. If you count the rounds, let's count from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And now let's make little frills to decorate the ghost. So in the first stitch I'm making single crochet, double crochet in the same stitch, and single crochet in the same stitch. Next stitch, slip stitch, next stitch, single crochet, double crochet, and single crochet. So 3 stitches in one stitch, slip stitch in the next stitch. I think here I was a little bit confused, there is a single crochet or slip stitch I'm making, but the pattern is you're making single crochet, you're making double crochet and single crochet in one stitch, and then you're making slip stitch in the next stitch. So your frills goes up and down, and slip stitch is the tiniest stitch of all. So you make single crochet, double crochet and single crochet and slip stitch in the next stitch. So those lovely little frills you will have. After you finish the round, you just place slip stitch in the following stitch, make chain 1 to secure your work and cut the yarn. Then you pull the yarn over and hide the tail. Usually I hide it between my stitches inside double crochet is the best option. You can use darning needle or you can use smaller size crochet hook. With the chunky yarn maybe it will be the better option, because smaller hook goes through the stitches much easier. And then you just cut the end. This end also you can hide between the stitches, or maybe you want to make a loop from with this stitch. It could be your option. To make the loop, you pick that end on the right side and leave in small loop, then you secure the end of it. So just make a chain 1 basically with the end, and this will hold this in place. And then you feed through the stitches to hide it. This is just option to use this little ghost as your keyring. This is almost done. Now we need to insert safety eyes. Choose eyes that are more appealing to you. Maybe you can choose smaller size or larger size. This one's about 8 millimeters. And how to insert safety eyes. Usually I try to pocket in the middle of the stitch, that it holds better. I leave around 3-4 stitches between the eyes. Don't insert safety caps straight away, you just play with your eyes, maybe put it higher, lower, closer, or maybe wider apart, and see how it goes. Safety cups, they're also different size according to the size of eyes. They can be larger or they can be smaller. And then you just pop it through. I wouldn't recommend to pop it through all the end. When you've got those safety eyes, you will see what I mean. That is 2 positions. Usually I put just in 1 position. And I have to repeat again that this is not suitable for very small children, because they can pick the safety eyes and chew it and harm themselves. So if you are going to give this to very small children, you will need to do embroidery. It's better than using safety eyes. In my other toys, I show you how to use those safety eyes and place that securely if you intend to use it for small children. It's a little bit different technique. To embroider the mouse, you may make it slightly smaller or larger. Again, I've decided to make it slightly wonky, just to make it a wonky shape. This is how I see my ghost. Maybe you can make different ghost, and I would love to see it on social media if you tag Hobbi Crochet. You can sell those items made with my pattern, but it could be very good if you can tag me as designer. And I am very happy that you come to watch my video today. You can subscribe, you can comment, maybe to give me some other ideas what to make next. And I will see you guys next time. And I hope you very happy Halloween. Have lots of fun, have lots of sweets. This can be a little treat for your friend. I'm sure every friend would appreciate to have a lovely little ghostie, maybe as a keyring, or maybe just a little scary friend. Then you secure this black thread and basically it job's done. Tidy it up, make it all nice and neat. Don't forget to check my other tutorials. I've got lots of lovely little cute projects with chunky yarn, with plush yarn. And I'll see you guys next time.